Do you work or study?
Yes, sir.
Do you work or
Yeah,
study?
I'm studying.
What do you study?
I'm doing Doctor of Pharmacy in Lahore Medical and Dental College.
Okay. So, do you often have dreams at night?
Yes, I often have dreams at night. Sometimes it may scare, very pleasant and mostly scary for me.
Okay. So, for scary dream, you can use nightmares. I usually have nightmares as well.
Obviously,
right?
yes, sir.
And try to add some more to your answers. Have you ever had a bad dream?
Sir, I already told you that I have mostly
As I have already told you that.
bad dreams that are very scary for me.
Okay, this answer is again very short and repetition. What you said before, you're saying it again. So you should answer in a different way. Have you ever had a bad dream? Yes, last night I had a very bad dream. In the middle of the night, I woke up after that dream, but thank God it was just a dream. So I don't want to discuss that here. But of course, to answer your question, I had a bad dream last night. Full answer, okay, not 1 to 2 sentences. And don't just say hunne te dasya. Okay, you need to
Okay, sir.
answer in a different way. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Let's go on. What was the strangest dream you ever had?
I think 2 or 3 days ago, I had a dream in which someone is killing me, and I'm not doing anything. I was not doing anything, and I was feeling completely helpless.
So that was the strangest dream I ever had.
Yes,
and
sir.
I was quite upset after. Speak full answer, okay?
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
All right, let's go on. What do you usually dream about?
I dreams about my career. I want
My
to be
career.
career. I want to be a successful man in my future, and I want to be a very precious man.
Okay, good. So listen, the first thing is your answers are short. You need to add some more. Second, focus your organization of your answer. At least they should be the beginning, explanation, and conclusion of your answer, right?
Sir.
And grammar, of course, right?
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.